Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am so excited. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time and I'm finally getting around to doing it. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you how I like to do my Gel X nails. Now I only did this once before, and after doing that I fell in love with doing Gel X nails. They're so easy to use. I absolutely love them. So where do they go? Oh, here. So what I did is I bought these on Amazon, and they came in individual packages. These are the, here I'll go like this. These are the tips or the Gel X nails, and I put them in a Kiss case that was empty, and you just put all of the sizes on the front part of it, so I can know what size all of these are. And it does have a nail glue in here. I actually don't use this, so I'm going to put this aside. So everything that I got, that I have, will be linked down in the description. I don't remember this specific nail tips, but these are, or actually, I have the, oh, this is also, okay. So I kept, these are the Kiss nails that were in here. This is the Saviland Soft Gel Nail Tips in medium almond. I don't actually use the medium almond shape. I shape them down to more of a rounded, or I guess a square shape nails, as I found out that I don't like almond shape very much, so I just stick to the square nails. So let's start by doing some cuticle. Okay, so I did have some jewelry on. I just took it off because I didn't want them to get dirty. So let's start the cuticle care. So I'm first going to start with this Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. This is my favorite cuticle remover. I absolutely love it. So we're going to use this, and then I'm also going to use my metal cuticle pusher with a scrapey side, and then here is the cuticle pushing side. So what I like to do is I actually like to start with my dominant hand. So I'm going to put some of this on the nail, around the cuticle, and I like to keep this on for like 15 seconds, and now I can start pushing back the cuticle. While I have this side still, I like to just scrape a little bit, and while I have the cuticle remover still on my nails. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hand off really quick, and I'm gonna come back. Now I'm gonna remove the cuticle a little bit more. So what I like to use is either these two things. I'm not really that confident in using the cuticle nippers yet. I mean, I want to start using these, but I don't know. I just been really liking to use this cuticle fork. I think that's what they're called. So I just kind of like to go along the cuticle and just scrape that. Okay, that is done. I'm going to do the same thing to the other hand. I'm going to apply the Instant Cuticle Remover, push back the cuticle, and use the cuticle fork. Okay, I have my little container full of the nails. Now it's time to size the nail. So I like to start with the thumbs. Just kind of find the right size and lay them out. I think this is the right one. My fingers are two different sizes, so this is weird. This is going to take me a long time, so I'm going to come back and continue. Okay, now I'm going to take my glass file just to kind of file the nail a little bit. I did that yesterday, but there are some nails that I actually want to file a little bit better. So now I'm going to use my nail drill. This is one from Saviland. I like this one. I haven't tried any other ones, and I think I'm going to stick to this one. Or maybe once I'm going to get a more expensive one, but I don't know yet. So I have a softer grit bit on my nail file, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to do, the only thing about this one, it has this, and you can't really tell what speed it's at. I mean, you can kind of tell when it's spinning, but I would like to have like a number thing on it as well. That's the only thing. And then it goes forward and then reverse. So I'm going to turn it on. And I keep it on the lowest speed. And I'm just, oh, I forgot. I'm going to open the window as well. And start just roughing up. So I was going to use this alcohol wipe, but it is completely dry. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to take some acetone and just kind of moisten it with the acetone. Now I'm just going to go on, just wipe every nail to get off all the dust and all the oils. Then I'm going to go back to the drill. I'm going to switch out the drill bit for my cuticle drill bit. So I'm going to use this one here. And I'm going to do some more cuticle work. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to remove the dust one last time. And now I'm going to take my nail brush to kind of remove more of the oils and kind of clean up my nails. Okay, so I'm going to start with this Saviland 4-in-1 gel, or glue gel, I should say. And then the Saviland Mini Flash Cure lamp. So this cord is actually really small, so I have to do it like kind of like by my sink. So that's the only downside of this Flash Cure lamp. This is the best one so far that I've tried. I mean, I've only tried this one, but yeah, okay. So I'm going to start with the dominant hand. So first I'm going to apply it to my finger, then into the well of the nail. I think that's called the well of the nail, I don't know. And I like these ones because they're already kind of etched into, like the nail is already etched, so I don't have to use my nail drill to etch the inside of the nail, which is great. Okay, so I'm going to start from applying it. I'm going to start from the cuticle and then kind of push the nail. I don't remember how long I do this for, maybe a couple of seconds. And that looks good so far. So this takes me a while, so I'm going to come back once this is all done. Okay, now it says, now I'm going to cure all of the nails for, some people say to do 60 seconds. I'm going to do it for 90 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to use my nail cutter to cut the nail. I'm only going to do maybe a little bit of it off because I mean, this looks good. I just want to kind of shape it a little bit better and maybe shorten them. I'm going to do like maybe that much to start, and then I can shorten them if I need. Okay, now that they're all cut, I'm going to shorten them a little bit and shape them. Actually, I'm going to do that with a nail file. I think that is a lot easier. I'm going to take this nail file from Rosalon. This is the 100 and 180 grit nail file. This isn't working, so I'm going to switch to my nail drill. No, wait. Okay, so I had to redo one nail because one of them was too short. I think I cut it too short, so I redid. This is the one I redid. It looks a lot better. I'm really happy with how they're turning out. So now we're going to rough up the surface of the nail with my nail drill. Actually, you know what? I don't want to use the nail drill first. I'm going to see how just a regular nail file. I'm going to use the grittier side of the nail file to rough up the surface of the nail. I just want to see how it looks or how it works. Okay, so now I have my cuticle nail bit. Oops, I need to put it down a little bit more. I have my cuticle nail bit. Now I'm going to kind of, let's bring this down a lot. Go over. So now I'm going to switch to voiceover just because I had people over and I just want to get this video done quickly. So I'm now going to take another alcohol wipe with some acetone. Or this one actually was a little bit more wet, so I just used the wipe. I didn't have to use any acetone. So I'm going to now remove the dust from the nail after filing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Red Carpet Prep. This is a nail primer to get ready and prepped for gel polish application. For this nail set, I wanted to do a summer kind of like French tips. So I'm taking 5 different colors, but first I want to do a layer of kind of like a nude skin color for the French tips. So I'm going to apply this to all of the nails first and then cure them under a UV lamp. The colors of the French tips, I went with, like I said, 5 different colors, kind of really like summery looking colors. That I actually have the same colors that I used on my fingers on my toes as well, just because I wanted everything to be kind of really cohesive with my fingers and my toes. I absolutely love how my nails are turning out. Now I'm going to cure it, what we did for the French tips, in the UV lamp, and then we can do the gel top coat. So now I'm going to do my gel top coat. I really like this gel top coat. It dries so quickly in the UV lamp. I don't even have, like, I normally do about 99 seconds for my curing the gel, and this takes 60 seconds. I love it. Now I'm ready to do all my cream type stuff. So first I'm going to take my Sally Hansen Nourishing Cuticle Oil on all of my cuticles. Then for a lotion, I'm going to take my Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom body lotion, and I'm just going to actually like to spend a good amount of time to kind of massage my hands, and this is like probably my favorite part of my manicure. I love doing that. My nails are finally done. I absolutely love how they turned out. They're, like I said, my second time doing Gel X nails, and I love the Gel X nails. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to do more videos on Gel X nails because they're so great. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!